Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lemmel, Big Kahuna Trading Club. We got another pretty good stock here. Looks like a good price squeeze setting up on it. This is ARM Holdings, semiconductor play. And as you can see, we have a nice big momentum on this particular stock. Pull back into the cup. I'll break it down here in a second. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Now, as you can see, we had a huge run up on the left-hand side of the cup. Let's look at the total gain on that again. It's about 3 BMI. Vector of 1's very fast. You can see right here, it breaks out 100% plus in just a week or so. Now, will we get that out of this side? Possibly not. We got some overhead supply back here. But we do have a price squeeze on the lows. If you were to take an arc right here, you can see that we're having elevated lows from the first cycle low. Now the second cycle low got violated on this one, but it's still a nice little arc inside of there. And if this pullback inside of here stays above here, we get a new price squeeze coming in off of the TM-3 cycle. So now as far as targets, here's a good first target line across the top there. It's around 215, 220, somewhere up in there. But overall, the pattern quality is very good. You can see right here we had once the U pivot set up over here, we had the Cat 1, which is a TM1 cycle, 1.5 month there. We had Cat 2, TM2 cycle, 3.5 months here. And the Cat 3, the TM3 cycle, the 5 to 7 month cycle there. And so we're basically looking for a price squeeze on this pullback. We got wave 1 down, we got wave 2 down, so I would expect wave 3 to hold above that. Kind of a reverse head and shoulders on that handle pullback right there. We got some support probably going to be coming in there if it pulls back that deep, around 133 to 135 or so. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahunatradingclub.club/lingo. A couple other points about this consolidation zone that needs to be watched here is the fact that you generally get a solid breakout after about a 6-month high in a cup. So right now we don't have that. So if we get a breakout of these highs right here, do not be surprised if you get a TSS pullback off of that 6-month high. Maybe a few days, might be a few weeks, but let's say it broke out from here, you get your 6-month high, may dip back into retesting that, possibly at that 150 PPP. Now also, as you can see here, it is bouncing off the 200 MA. That's a sign that institutions coming in to buy it up, so that's promising there. And one other point here is you have another psychological price point, subdominant 125 PPP, and it's hitting right at that pullback. That's where it bounced hard on that. So overall, it looks pretty good. Should get follow through on it, but it's kind of a sketchy market right now. We've had some really strange volatility the last few weeks. Not surprising after you had a big run up prior to the end of 2024 coming off of the election. Could be some profit taking, but maybe we'll iron that out over the next few weeks going into the inauguration. So looking pretty good so far. You know, as with anything, it can look good today, but if we get a sketchy market, it could deteriorate. So you just have to watch the pullbacks and look for pattern quality on the pullbacks. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtrading.com. Hope you enjoyed the video.